In today's world, an effective internet presence is vital to the survival of your business. Your website is a virtual shopfront where you open the door to welcome in customers and prospects. So it needs to look good with effectively positioned images and the right fonts. It needs to appeal to your target audience and inspire them to come back for more. But there's no point having an amazing looking website that people can't find in the search engines, or that people simply can't find their way around. Don't leave things to chance. Contact us today.